Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this part. To design this part, we have used extrude boss, fillet, plane, rib, mirror and extrude cut command. So let's see how to design this part. To start this, we'll click on sketch and we'll take a sketch tool. Here, we'll select the front plane because I'm going to make a front view, a base part of the model. So here in this diagram, we have circle portions, so we'll create the circles and specify that values. So I have circle of 24 radius. By default we'll take diameter to 48, then later we can change this to radius. Again diameter we have, it's given 18, so we can take diameter of that. Now I want to take in radius form. We can select this and we can change this to radius. Select this and we can change to radius. Now we'll just take line tool and create a straight line. Define the shape how we want to take that. So make sure exactly it should be passed from origin. So I just make in such a way that it is passing from the origin. Now we'll specify the total distance, that is 154. Okay. And we'll specify this will be total 20. Okay, and this will be 10. And we're going to trim the sketch. This I don't require, so what thing is not required we can trim from the sketch. This line is not required here, this and this portion is not required, even this is not required. And we'll select this from this point. Smart dimension is total 75. This distance we are defining 6. So this is defined completely. Now we'll exit from the sketch. We'll go to features, take extrude boss command. We'll take a mid plane and total will take 72 depth and OK. Now I want to make next feature on this. For that I'll choose front plane, which is the center of the body. I'll take one circle here, defining the diameter of the circle, that is 36. OK. We'll specify the location exactly. So it is 82 from the lower edge. Then from this edge it is 36 distance. So it's become completely defined. Now I'll define the remaining sketch. So I want to make a line that should be tangent. So when we create a line, if not become tangent, we have to create a tangent manually. We'll select the line, press Ctrl button, select that circle and make it tangent. Similarly, I'll make line other side. So before that, let me add one circle here. I'll use half circle of that. So I'll make this to be exactly tangent both places. We can on sliding, we can also check the tangency will come. Like here we can see the tangency come, we can stop here. Here it not become tangent, let's make it tangent. And this I'll make it concentric, or we can take co-radial. We'll just make one line from here to here, and now we're going to trim this. I said this to be trimmed, this to be trimmed. Okay, exit. Now I'm going to extrude this. We'll keep it mid plane and we'll specify the total depth of the system. Okay. Now again I'll take the front plane. We'll make circle here and one more circle. This circle we can keep it co-radial with this edge and we'll define the inner diameter of the circle, that is 18 diameter. We'll exit, we'll extrude this, keep it mid plane and taking total distance 36. Okay. Now I want to remove material from here. We'll just select this face. We'll make one rectangle here. We'll define the specification. This is total 20. This is 10. And exactly I'm making it middle of the body. So for that, with origin, I'm taking relation, that is an horizontal condition, and we'll make extrude cut. Okay. Now we are going to put some fillets. We'll take fillet tool. Of radius value 10, I'll select all that side edges. We can select by direct method by choosing if it is coming in selection. Otherwise, we will do one by one. So it's not showing that option. So I'll take one by one. Only 4 edges I have to take. Do OK. Now I need to cut 2 holes on this face. We'll select this face and create 2 holes. So I'll just make 2 circles. We'll make them equal radius. Specify the radius. So we have diameter value, that is 12, and total distance between them, that is 36, and we'll define from the back edge how much distance it is, 64. Now here we'll select both the circles, center point, and we'll arrange them vertically. Now we'll just specify half distance from the center to make it exactly centered. So it is 36, we'll take half of 36. 18. Now features, we'll take extrude cut option. Okay. So we can see all that 4 view of the model. We go here and take 4 views, and we can see that how the model is looking. Now if you see here, we have rib structure is there in our model, so that is missing. So we have to complete that part now. Now I want to take again a single view. We'll go back and take a single view. Now again, I need to create a plane. So we know this feature is made at 36 distance from here. So I'll take one plane. From this face, we'll specify the direction. Flip 36. Okay. We'll select this plane. Sketch, and we'll create one line from here, and we'll just make one line here. Now we'll specify the total distance of this line from the center. So for that, I'm turning on temporary axis. We'll specify this temporary axis, and this distance will be 28. After doing the distance, you can turn off the axis if you don't want to see. Now exit, we'll go to features, and we'll take a rib tool. So make sure the rib direction should be always to the material direction, and total depth of the rib is 10. Okay. So once rib is made, we can mirror this. We'll select this and we'll go to mirror tool. Now we required a plane at center of the body, so I'll choose plane. We have front plane here. We'll select the front plane and do OK. So this is how this part is completed. Now let's apply some appearance on this. So we'll go to appearance. We'll take some appearance type. We can choose what appearance we can apply. Let's apply some appearance. I think steel, chrome is okay, or aluminum. Let me take this material and do OK. So this is how we have changed the appearance. Now we can see the model again with the 4 views, how it is looking, it's completed or not. So we can see this model has been completed. We can see all the 4 views. Thank you for watching this video.